So welcome back to the video, and this is the fifth and the last part of our video editing course for beginner. And till now we have learned how to add clips, how to import clips in the timeline, how to add text, how to animate the text, how to increase or change the font size or color of the text. Here we learned how to add sticker, caption, text, how to animate them, and we also learn how to add effect and filters also. So now after that, then we learn how to remove the background by using chroma key, and after that we learn about keyframing. We understand about keyframing, how it works, how to add, how to scale, use key, transform keyframe and scale keyframe. Now in this video we are going to learn about adding the sound effects. In the previous video we also learned about the sound effects, and we learn how to add music. Now here we learn how to add sound effects. So this is our music. I'm going to just a minute. I'm going to trim this music, cut the music from here. Okay, now we are going to add sound effects. To add sound effects we have to go to audio section, sound effects section. We can use trending sound effects, and for now for audio, for this hello text, we are going to use typing keyboard sound. Typing. To add this we simply have to add plus, but it's not good. So we are going to, there are some of the trending or popular sound effects like whoosh. We can use that. Just and there are more like swoosh and others. Swipe. Let's see swipe. We can add here. We can add sound effect. Swipe, whoosh, and zoom also. We can add pop-up sound. There are some of pop-up sound which are trending, and like far sound which are trending now. Here I'm using pop-up sound. And you can add the sound effects in this way, like let's add car, vehicle sound, car, car engine, car racing sound. Let's see. Let's try this. That's good, really good. Again we can copy this and we can paste again if we want. Just a minute. We can copy again, we can paste again. You can use Control C for copy and Control B for paste. You can use Control B for cutting or splitting the photos or videos. Now let's see how it's look. Okay, that's good. And this is all about the sound effects. This is all about the whole course of video editing for beginners. I hope you will find this videos helpful. What do you think about this videos of video editing course? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.